guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this water slime of only one ingredient. So first I have this bowl and some water, and now I'm going to dip some water in. Add the amount of water you want. Pour. And now I'm going to go get some dye for my slime. I'm using this color blue, but so you spray it in, it's supposed to turn blue. Okay, now I just stir until your hands get tired. And after mixing, I have this slime. This is so cool. I just mixed, and then it turned into slime. I saw it all over TikTok. So I made slime. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.